Once a year, during the summer, around the time of Palio, the pavement of Siena's Duomo is uncovered for everyone to see the spectacle, the 700 years of art history represented in intarsia marble floors. Common travel wisdom says you should keep your eyes turned upward and outward in order to catch sight of architectural details and colorful scenery around you. But as you can see, here in Siena Cathedral, you'll want to tilt your head down and look at the floors. Throughout most of the year, the Duomo covers up its floors in order to avoid wear and tear by thousands of visitors who pass through. But for several months around the two Palio dates in July and August, they're unveiled in their full glory, wowing visitors with intricate narratives worked into the marble. These artworks date from the 1300s to the 1800s and tell biblical stories as well as represent sibyls and other symbols. This year, the floors received a high-tech twist. New directional LED lighting ensures proper reading of the floors both day and night. A light show on the facade, complete with music, kicked off this season. This year, come see it yourself until July 31st, and then again from August 18th to October 28th.